Hi, thank you for joining me. Today we're replacing the air filter in a 2012 Honda Civic. Now to find it in this vehicle, it's on the driver's side towards the firewall. There are 3 clips that you need to locate first, and they're pretty easy to find. 2 on the left side, we've got one here, and then on the right side we've got one here. So we're going to go ahead and flip those down. Alright, now it's ready to open. I'm just going to lift it up. Now it still has some hinges on the back, but there's enough space we don't need to worry about those. If I keep my hand off to the side, I can just lift this one out. I'm replacing it with a Fram CA11113. You can check the links in the description for any products and anything you're looking for. It's going to go back in the same way the other one came out. So this angle will be towards the passenger side back. And this rubber lip on top, well, is going to be on top. Okay, so if you have it along the bottom, that's upside down. And again, I can just lift this up, get my hand out of the way, slide it in. Seats. And just put my clips back. And that is all there is to it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more videos that are short to the point and don't waste time, please subscribe. Please click the product links in the description and help the channel grow. In that way, you can help me to help you.